Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Karonde, and if you do know me, then welcome back. Today, I'm just vlogging. Right now I'm outside with my little sister, one of them, but we're just playing with basketball. Shooting around basketball, kicking the basketball, having fun with the basketball, and we'll probably go to the park and do some art stuff, and really just see what today is. But I want to try to vlog more in general, because I'd be doing a little bit of stuff. But look at this background at this fence. It's really pretty. Don't ask me why, but I like the nature. But yeah, I'll vlog a bit. Well, you can put anything in there. You can show me on the camera. But vlog, it's just like you living your daily life. So alright, yo. I'm gonna try to get this up. Alright, you can click stop right there. Alright, y'all, we headed to the park. But we're really about to do some art and figure out what else to do. But I'll update y'all when we do. It's recording, but again, I'm not gonna be talking to the camera too much. And when I do, I'll be looking at the camera. Yeah, I'll be like, yeah. Ew.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speed. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love.
Alright, y'all. This is what I came up with so far. Really just some shapes and different colors. And I'll put them color in the end. Look at my little sister. She's an artist too. It looks like mountains right now, but we're gonna see what it looks like in the end. And yeah, all these art supplies and water. And my stuff for a video later. We just chilling now. And we're really just sitting here chilling. It's so nice outside today, yo. I guess I'll put this back up a little bit. Yeah, new car, somebody. Somebody, please. Alright, it's gonna be in it. If you sit here, they can see you. Girl. Alright, this is what I got for now. I know I'm not done, but I'm about to just record another video while I'm out here and watch my sister play on the playground. So I'm not too worried about finishing. But I will update y'all when I do something else. This is a trailer. Woo! Okay, you gotta go. Woo! Dang, y'all. I'm so low, I get dizzy just from doing this. I'm sad. Alright, let me get up before I... What?
Remember them things remember them little fish things?
Tadpoles?
Yeah,
That's tadpoles. That is them, Carrie. You see the little black things?